Welcome to our CostsFirst video series. In this video, we're going to show you the Seller's Net Sheet feature. To get started, you'll log into CostsFirst and head to the dashboard where you'll find the Seller's Net Sheet icon. Click on that and it will take you to our Seller's Net Sheet module. Once here, you'll begin your net sheet. The first thing we're going to do is create the net sheet. I'm going to show you the entire process in this video. However, say you're in a rush to an appointment. All you need to do is enter the sales price and check that your closing date and zip code are correct. You'll then enter the most recent property taxes, and CostsFirst will return hyperlocal and extremely accurate title escrow and closing costs. Sometimes, though, you're not in a rush and you can watch this entire video. Let's say you're preparing the net sheet for James Scott. The property he's interested in selling is 123 Maple, and it's in San Diego, California, the zip code 92103. Scott would like to sell this property for $500,000. Next, you're going to enter any loan payoffs that the seller might have. Let's say they have a $105,000 loan at a 4.25%. And then let's say they have a second $8,500 loan at 5%. And we'll enter the property taxes. Let's say they're $4,800. CostsFirst will automatically calculate title, escrow fees, and all the associated normal average transaction costs based on the zip code. Maybe my listing percentage is only 2% out of this transaction. So you can see how the seller's net is directly impacted. And if you ever want to change any of the line items on the fly, that is easy to do. For example, you can change the home warranty policy. Let's say you're going to change it to $500. The seller's net will be impacted accordingly. Sometimes the seller will assist the buyer with closing costs. In that case, you'd enter, let's say in this case, $5,000 under buyer closing costs, and that will obviously impact the bottom line. We always recommend that you save your net sheet. And anytime you make changes, we recommend saving it as a new file. This way, you'll have a history of all the net sheets you prepared for James Scott in this example. Everything is saved on the cloud, so if I save it on my desktop, I can then open it on my cell phone or vice versa. Thanks for watching this video. And as always, if you have any questions, please click the Contact Us section on the website, and our customer service team will respond to any questions or concerns you might have. You can reach us at 1-800-252-8692 or send us an email at support@costfirst.com. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.